Greetings everyone, this is D22 with you today from D22 Responses. Hope you're doing fantastic. And I haven't made a tutorial video on this channel in a while, so I thought I would start with making a tutorial on how to use Screencast O Matic. It is a free screen capture app that allows you to record up to 15 minutes for free. So here is how it is used. As you can see, this is the main window that we have here that opens on the bottom left corner. It shows your record, and then it shows you can record your screen. And then when you click on webcam, it allows you to pick up your webcam. And then what you can also do is you can record your screen and both. So you can move the webcam anywhere you want. So you can move it in the center, and then you can do the same with the integrated webcam. And then you can just adjust it to the bottom right corner, as you see here. And you can move it all the way down. And then the max time here is 15 minutes. So when you highlight it, it says the basic recorder will capture up to 15 minutes at a time. Click here to upgrade to Pro Recorder and record for as long as you want. So it will give you that option to click on that link when you're ready to upgrade. And then it shows you the resolution size, and it's usually full screen. So let's set it to active window. So this is basically the active window. And then we'll set it to 720p. So this is by default 720p footage that will allow you to record on the screen. And then you can move the footage around like this. Okay, so that's 720p, and then it has 480p. This is like an older standard format. If you want to like record something with a smaller file size, then this is what you do. And then narration shows up here where it allows you to select your microphone. So this is the mute microphone button. So we just use the mute microphone button, and then we're going to click the arrow on the right, and it'll find all the microphones installed. The blue snowball is what I'm using, and then this is the desktop microphone, which is basically for my HD webcam. So you can choose either one of those, and then you can also enable computer audio if you have the Pro version. So that's the only thing that you would need to do. So we're going to just set it to full screen again, and then you can also set preferences. So when you go to the preferences window, it gives you the hotkey options. Pause hotkey, which is Alt-P, or you can set up a hotkey however you want. Webcam big, Shift Alt W, mark timeline, Alt M, and there is a countdown, and the control bar is usually on the bottom or on the top. Full screen recording controls, you can show it or none. Reposition cursor on resume, yes or no, and keyboard controls while paused, yes or no. So that is basically it. So we are going to do a test recording using this, and then we'll show you the output of what it looks like. I won't be using sound on that video because I'm already using another recorder to teach you how to use this recorder. So here you click on the bottom of the screen, or click on this control here, and then preferences is the gear, and then you can cancel. So we're going to press record. So the recording will give us a countdown like this, and then it'll test everything that we do here. So it'll pick up the cursor, it'll pick up the webcam video right here, and then it allows you to pause by clicking on the pause button right here. So we're just going to record for about 15 seconds, but like I said, you can record up to 15 minutes. So it recorded up to 15 seconds here. So what you can do is you can make sure that the 15 seconds is properly there, and then you can go seek back to the last point, and then you can also go back to everywhere, and then you can also delete everything and start over if you feel that your recording is not good. And then what you do when you're done is you press done, and then it will ask you, what do you want to do with this recording? So it will give you an edit option here, but it's very limited when you have the free version. You can't edit your footage as you go, but when you get the Pro software, you'll be able to use an inline editor with this app. So it's basically like $1 a month, which is not too bad, and you can use it on PayPal or pay with credit card or whatever payment option it gives you. Let's say you're pretty much finished, so we're going to play this back, and then it'll test everything. It just picked up my audio and my microphone and everything else, and then you can also add or remove music in the recording, and then you can put in stock music, and then you can play the stock music like this. So you can use the stock music, which is basically the 3 titles, or you can get more music, and you can access the full recorder library. So then what you can do is you can then choose to save as a video file, upload to Screencast O Matic, or upload directly to YouTube, which is really, really cool. So for the sake of this, we're just going to click on Save as Video File, and then it'll ask you to select Publish Options, and then you can select the type, either MP4, AVI, or FLV. I recommend MP4 because of the compression style. And then you can name the file whatever you want, so test recording, and then you click on there, and then you'll be able to save it in a folder of your choosing, and then it'll open the folder selection box. So we have it saved for videos. We'll put it in captures for starters, and then open captions if you just want to add captions to the file. And then when you're done, you press publish, and then it starts publishing the video file into your folder. Okay, so it finished, and then you can go browse the folder where you saved it, and there it is. So it saved it in an MP4 video format. This is only 16 seconds, but it's 1 megabyte. So depending on what compression type you use, if you use AVI, it's a higher quality but a bigger file size, and if you use MP4, it's the same kind of quality but a lower file size. So we're just going to play it, and then it'll test everything that we. So there's our test video. So as you can see, it starts off where the cursor is highlighted with a circle, and there I'm moving my camera, and you can see the cursor right here. Now it doesn't have the editor option to zoom in unless you use the Pro version, but if you just want to make a standard video recording for free for 15 minutes, this is a great software that you use, and it's cool. So it allows you to go to done, and then it closes the program. And then that's how you do it. That's how you record your videos. It closes the program when you're done, and that's it. So hopefully this video was helpful, and if you have any other questions, leave it in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.